The first point to make is that the legal duties of the company secretary will vary as between jurisdictions. Okay, so some countries, every company must have a company secretary, and other countries it's not obligatory. Okay, but where the company secretary role exists, typically the responsibility to comply with company law and other requirements is shared as between the directors and the company secretary. So typically the directors will be responsible for preparing the financial statements, for making sure that they provide that they are a true and fair view of the state of affairs of the company, all terminology that accountants will be very familiar with. And then the company secretary is typically responsible for ensuring that all of those returns are filed on time, that any changes that are necessary to the register of shareholders and directors and debenture holders and others are updated appropriately. And then the secretary will also be responsible for convening the AGM and any other kind of statutory meetings of the company, where the directors report to the shareholders on the company's performance, and may also have to bring forward proposals requiring shareholder approval from time to time. And then furthermore, depending on the sector that the organisation or the company works in, there may be additional reporting requirements. So for listed companies, or for housing bodies, or for registered charities, where there are other regulators and so on in place, typically in addition to companies reporting, there are additional regulatory reporting requirements to those entities for which the secretary is also responsible.